Hi everyone. Today I'm creating a very healthy smoothie with a mango strawberry. So first you have the wine and orange juice. There's about two cups of orange juice is needed. This is what I'm going to use what I'm using today. Should give it a nice bit of energy. So let's start with the milliliters of this. Then we're going to add about 250 grams of diced mangoes pieces. Put them here. Those are fresh ingredients. And we're going to put strawberries. Everything are the strawberries. Fresh and diced. Ready? Then we're going to add this, which is the bananas. This is about one medium banana. Then you got the chia seeds. This is about 1 tablespoon. Like this. There's a blender. Minutes. And that's it. This is not too cold though, because it's fresh. But you can actually make it really cold if you add ice. And I don't think there's any fruit yours because they have plenty of mangoes and strawberries. So this would be like a perfect morning smoothie with a bit of a twist, I guess. Well, if you like the video and you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.